Hey, what's up tube? Willington here and welcome to another sound battle where we'll let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield, today we have the UE Boom 2 going up against the Charge 3 as requested by Abraham. If you have any speakers that you would like to see them battle here, leave them in the comment section below. And when you do not forget to subscribe because that's the only way that you will know when I upload your requested video. As usual, the speakers are 6 feet away from the sound recorder and they are playing at 80% volume. Put your headphones on and let's hear the speakers speak.
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not.
So there you have it. The Boom 2 is a touch louder and it's better at representing highs. And as you guys might know, I really love the vocals that come out of the Boom 2. On the other hand, the Charge 3 is way better at lows. This makes its music sound rich and full. For the kind of music I listen to, the Charge 3 takes the lead. It feels like JBL could have done better at the highs and UE could have done better at the lows. But overall, I like the sound I get from the Charge 3. What do you think? And by the way, Harman, the company where JBL comes from, is being acquired by Samsung. And this kind of excites me just to see what might change if any change happens at all as far as JBL Bluetooth speakers. Leave me a comment down below, like the video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace.